Hello, I'm Bo from Sweden. Welcome to my series about the WICS project. This is the third video, W3, in the WICS series. Today we will look at the first board that had been sent to production. We won't waste any time, so let's start.
The first board, PCB, that's now in production phase is the gateway for nowRail. As you can guess from its name, this is the board responsible for the communication to and from the WICS nowRail system, receiving DCC commands from your command station and send back DCC data from sensors. All DCC systems can send DCC commands to the gateway, but only DCC-EX, NCE, CAB bus, and JMRI can receive DCC data from the gateway. But the board is prepared and ready to connect a CAN bus module that's used by systems like Mechlin, Merge, and LCC. The gateway can also handle Zigbee, Thread, and Matter for future development of WICS nowRail. Also through the JMRI connection, many DCC systems can also receive data from the gateway. The nowRail master clock can be adjusted and controlled by the 4-channel 433 MHz remote control. The data is stored in the EEPROM. Actual status and other information from the nowRail can be viewed on a OLED screen, piggyback, or connected by I2Z wires. The board needs a 5-volt power input and the size is 80 x 90 mm. Only one gateway is needed per layout.
Here is the schematic over the gateway. The heart of the board is the expressive ESP32C6 dev kit, with support for Wi-Fi 6, Zigbee, Thread, and Matter. This is not implemented in the nowRail system today, but the board is ready for future development. The input power is 5 volt. Parallel connect the two outgoing wires from the DCC system's output with track to the J2 connector. Then nowRail can transfer all the DCC command wireless to all other WICS nowRail boards on the layout. Then you select one outgoing DCC interface, DCC-EX, NCE CAB bus, or JMRI through the USB connector on the microcontroller. You can only connect one outgoing DCC data interface to the DCC system. The connection for the CAN bus module is ready to use on the board, but doesn't have any protocol support today in the nowRail. Here it's important that the correct module has been selected, since there is both 5 volt and 3.3 volt modules. Either plug in a 0.96-inch OLED screen directly to the J10 connector, or use an I2C cable to a bigger 2.42 OLED screen. Both have 128 by 64 pixels. The nowRail master clock data is stored in EEPROM, so you can continue with the last record time and date when returning after a shutdown. Finally, the RX480E is connected to the J11, and now we have a 4-button control over the master clock in nowRail. Here you can see the board, PCB, that has been sent to the production. And here you can get an idea how it will look when all the modules is mounted.
When the board PCB coming from production, then the process can continue. First, I will mount all the components and test all the functions. If everything turns out well, I will make the detailed mounting instruction and a mounting instruction video. I will also make the schematic and the PCB files available to download from our GitHub. Now everyone could use those files to have their own PCB board made by any PCB manufacturer. When we are at this point in the process, then we will be about halfway in making the board ready to run. Then the implementation of all the nowRail function that's going to be used needs to be done. Creating a configuration file with options and have that implemented into the nowRail code. This part will take some time to finalize. After testing the configuration files, documentation, and the one-click installation, it will be published at GitHub. The installation will install both the latest version of nowRail and the WICS extension for the board. Now it's ready to run. Finally, I'm creating the YouTube video presenting the board and how to mount and use the board. Hopefully, someone more than us will benefit from the board that's being created. It is a lot of work to get from zero to a completed board, but it's fun. If anyone would like to help, it will be most welcome. If you would be interested to participate in the WICS project, leave a comment in the video and in what way you prefer for us to contact you. That's all for this video. If you're interested, there are and will be more videos divided into 2 series and playlists. In the DCC Electronics series, you get a nice overview of the technology and new solutions. In the WICS Wireless Control System series, you can learn about this add-on in the nowRail system, making it user-friendly, simplify use and installation. The previous Newbies Journey series is moving to a Swedish Channel, Colorado in N scale. And if you subscribe, you will have a notification when the videos are released. Also, you will be supporting the channel. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. We look forward to sharing our next video with you. Until next time, take care and happy railroading.